Heptabase visual note-taking tool. In today's video, we are going to review Heptabase, which is a note-taking tool that helps you make sense of complex topics. So let's get started. Heptabase is a visual note-taking and personal knowledge management application praised for its intuitive card-based interface and unique whiteboard feature, which is especially effective for organizing complex information and research. What is good about Heptabase is visual thinking. The card-based system and interactive whiteboard allow users to visually map out and connect complex ideas, which is highly beneficial. PDF workflow. Many users find the feature of processing and annotating PDFs particularly efficient. It also has initiative design. The application is considered to have a high-quality initiative design. It also provides flexibility, and you can use the multi-device support option. You can use it on Apple as well as Android devices. So what could be improved? Mobile app has some limitations which can be improved, for example, whiteboard management. Though recent updates have improved this, however, editing on the go can still be a pain point. They can also improve their subscription model. It is a subscription-only service, which is a drawback for those looking for free or one-time purchase options. Feature gaps. It lacks some features found in more established applications like Obsidian or Notion, particularly in areas like complex collaboration or advanced task management. Who is Heptabase for? Heptabase is ideal for visual learners, researchers, and students who need to organize complex information and find value in a visual, interconnected system. It is a strong contender for those who work with PDFs frequently and want a more streamlined workflow. Users who prioritize a seamless visual interface and are willing to pay a subscription fee will likely find it a powerful tool. And that's all about Heptabase review. Hopefully you find it helpful.